setting clear goals for yourself. A lot of people go around like zombies, don't even have a path to go on. They just out here just leaving themselves lost with no direction. You got to have direction in life, because if you don't have any direction on where you're trying to go or where you're trying to achieve, you're just going to be just existing. I heard this in a song before. It says, are you living or you're existing? And a lot of people are just existing right now, and they wonder why things don't work that way. So what you need to do, and what I did to help me on my journey, is I sat down, wrote clear my values, my aspirations, what I want to achieve from life, and then I made these goals, but it was so simple to me that I could understand them. And I got this tool that I'm going to show you right now from somebody named Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy made a thing called SMART goals, and if you create these things called SMART goals, they'll help you actually achieve things faster. And one of them is being specific about your goals, making them measurable, making them achievable, making them relevant, and making them time bound. Say it again to you: make them specific to know exactly what you want, make it measurable, and make it achievable, make sure that you can achieve it, be relevant and time bound. So if you do that, you start putting the pieces together and make it almost like if I was planning on going on a vacation and I want to go on this vacation, I have to what first? Look at the spots where we're going, then I have to look at the prices, then I have to look at the time frame of how we're going to get there, see if I can achieve to go to this place that I'm trying to go to, and is it relevant to what my standards or what I want to do. If you start doing that and put pieces together, it'll get clear to you and you can understand.